Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a PS4 controller. So you want to start unscrewing all the screws. I showed you where all the screws location will be, and there will be one more inside of the controller. So go ahead, take apart all your screws. Now once you finished unscrewing all the screws, you want to go and grab a flathead screwdriver, the smallest one you can find. Now the reason why we want a flathead screwdriver is to get in between the lines to be able to take apart the controller. So you can see the light gray parts, you want to squeeze on them and send in the flathead screwdriver. Mine's already was taken apart, so it's easier for me, but basically what you want to do is take the screwdriver and send it in and pass it all the way up. So like this, on both sides. Oh, and you'd need to do here as well, sending the screwdriver if it's now being taken apart. So as you can see, I've taken it apart and my R2 has fallen out. It's okay, it can go back in. Don't worry if anything falls out. So now when you're opening the controller, be careful and be aware of which side this white wire is facing. So the white is facing me and the blue part is facing the battery. So you just want to pull that out from there. And you want to pay attention how the battery plug is being faced. So you want to grab the two sides and pull it out. Yeah, from up and down, you hold it and pull it out. Then you want to grab your screwdriver and unscrew the screw. Now we're going to just take off this piece, and you see the wire on top. We're going to be taking out that piece of wire. So we are just going to pull easily and gently, and it should just pop right off. Now you can see there's a hole where the wire is being fed through. We're just gonna send it back through there. So just push it in. Try to hold only the blue parts, not the white part. So yeah, we send it through. Hold the gray part, any side, and hold the black part over here. And now we're just gonna pull, not too hard, and it should pop right off. Next, we are going to just turn around the circuit board, and we can pull off the joysticks. That's basically it, how to take apart the PS4 controller. If you are having problems with your joysticks, you can usually use a vacuum and put it on blow mode and blow whatever dust is in there. You can blow it out. As you can see here, the circuit is coming out. Don't worry, it's alright, it can be fixed, because there is two holes. As you can see, one's right there and one is on the other side right there. Just make sure you line up the two holes with the two sticks and push it back in. So now we're just gonna put back in the joysticks because we aren't gonna do any cleaning here today. the R2. So you see this semicircle part right here? Take note of that. That's where we're going to be pushing in the circle part of the R2 button. So you can see right there, I'm showing you. Oh yeah, take note of the long piece on it. It has a place for it. That part has to go inside of that part. And once it's in, we can push. No worries if the circuit's coming out again. You can fix it back. Now, if your touchpad sensor comes out in the process, don't worry. We have a fix for it. So you're probably trying to put it back in like this, but that's not going to work. Instead, you have to take the touchpad and push it from the inside and up. And press down on the bottom. And that's it. So I'll do it over at least one more time to make sure you understand. So you're pushing it from this side. Yeah, you hold it like this. You push it in from this side. Again, you're holding it like this and you're pushing it from this side. Try to hold it as straight as possible. As you can see, I didn't hold it straight as possible here. So you push it in like that and then you push up. And then push on down. Now putting back in this piece, the circuit board part, make sure the wire lines up straight with the hole. So it usually takes some time to line it back up. It's alright. Shouldn't be too long. Now, once you got back in the wire, make sure you push it back in to this part. You can watch it close to your face to know where exactly. And now we're just gonna put back in this part. It has holes, so you should know which side it is to put. Make sure you screw back in the screw. As you can see, I did it there. Now we're putting back in the battery. Now, pay attention to the battery plug and the holes in it. You don't want to push it in wrong. So, let's take a look at the holes and where they are located. So you can see they're at the end, the two holes there, and look inside of where the two sticks are and where they are located. So once your battery pack's in, you want to take the other part and take note of the wire and which way you pulled it out from. So in my case, the blue wire was facing the battery and the white part was facing towards me. So as you can see, I put it back in over here. Yours may differ, I'm not too sure. Now take note of the plastic part over here on top. Do not press too hard, do not force it in if it's not going in. There's an angle where you should push it from, and it will go in gently and easily. So you can see we're basically done here. All we have to do is press down and you should hear it snap. And you want to screw back in all of the screws. So once you finish screwing in your screws, we're done, everything's done. And if you need some proof that the controller still works, I'm just gonna grab my charger and plug it in right here. And it lights up, so there is proof that it works. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.